guys, it is Thursday morning. It's just 9 o'clock. I went outside to open up the greenhouse, and in one of our trees we have a mommy robin. She had 4 eggs this late in the year, and I just had a feeling to go out. Who was on the ground? Oh, my little baby. Oh, it's still alive. It was laying there. I thought it was dead. Some stuff into it. I'm going to see if Farmer John can harvest some worms for me. I'm going to mash it up and see if I can get her to eat. I'm going to get some nutmeg and milk into her. She's a little bit dirty, but she's alive. This is not something I really wanted to do today. Well, that was something. I managed to get it all warmed up. It was so cold. I think it just hatched. But I could see its little heart beating through its thin skin, and its tiny little wings weren't even unfolded yet. And I just knew from my bird experience that it had a chance. So I warmed it up and got its head up and let its little tiny fuzzies dry, and I got it nice and warm, and I managed to get some smashed eggs and a little bit of room temperature nut milk down. It took it. It had its crop wide open. I got it down, I kept its head up, massaged it down, and it was starting to chirp a little bit, and it kept opening its mouth. So I took it back out, and luckily mommy was not in the nest, and I have clear access to it. And oh gosh, the other 3 are so big. If she lets this baby stay in that nest, it's going to be a miracle. So I monitored a few times now. It's still in there. I got it nestled in nice and tight. And I know I could have held on to it, but really I don't like to intervene. And the best chance it's going to have is to be in that nest with mommy because of the heat. It needs to be kept warm, and it needs that first feeding. But I got it to poop before I put it back in, so I know it's alive. I mean, there's some chance I'm going to go out and I'm going to end up crying over it, but it is what it is. I must have done the right thing, because all this time I've been struggling to get cucumbers. And look what she gave me. She gave me 3 beautiful cucumbers. So I feel like I did the right thing. So in a little while, we'll go check, and if mommy's not in there, I'll try to get a picture so we can try to monitor the babies. All right, so mommy's in there. She got her booty up in the air. She just arrived, and she is feeding the babies, and I don't see anyone on the ground. Can you see? Look. Little babies. Everyone's waiting to eat. Oh, little babies. Well, I can only see 3 little tiny mouths popping out, but the baby I picked up was so small, it might be underneath of her, so we'll keep our fingers crossed, guys. Let me just look at this beautiful bouquet that I come out to, though. Look at this gorgeous zinnia today. Oh my gosh, this color. Really incredible. What a blessing to come out to this, though. This just touches me spiritually every time I come out here. I feel like it's just, these colors are so magical, you guys. Now these tall, ruffly, another very like Dr. Seussish kind of plant. This is the blazing star Leatris. And the butterflies have been all over it. So I have it deposited all over the yard. It's just starting to bloom now. The butterflies really love it. So, oh my gosh, you see that whole flutter there? We also have hummingbirds nesting, and they've been getting around. They were pollinating the tomatoes this morning, which was very cool. There's just tons of bees and all kinds of stuff here. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh, I see one little fuzzy face in there. Oh my goodness, these babies. That nest is so small. I don't see anyone on the ground here, so I'm hoping that all 4 babies are in there, but I really can't say for certain. This will have me stressed for days. gosh, I'm so relieved. I see all 4 babies in there. Oh, I'm so grateful that I did the right thing. I mean, you never know when a baby bird is sick, or you never know, but that nest is so small. Like I said, I anticipate somebody's going to be on the ground. So, but anyway, crisis averted for now, you guys. I came out to grab some tomatoes. Oops. Because there's so many, and it looks like we're going to get a pretty big rainstorm tomorrow. So let's grab some tomatoes and celebrate that the little baby bird is okay. I'm filling up another container of beautiful heirloom tomatoes, and the vines are all full over here in this part. Look, earlier this year when we built this trellis system, I had said that I wanted to put a peace cattle panel up there, and I wish I did, because this Black Beauty tomato is up and over the top, and there are so many tomatoes on these plants. So John really liked it last night. He said it was delicious. Somebody else was talking about Thornburn's terracotta, saying that their plants didn't produce anything up top, but we have lots of blossoms and lots of new tomatoes starting here, so lots of little babies. So I don't know what that issue could have been, but my Dr. Witchies are really starting to all ripen up beautifully, and look, I just love it when they're like true heirloom shape. These are some big giant tomatoes, but this one here is a mortgage lifter, and it was a fasciated blossom. Obviously, let me show you here at the bottom. So it looks like it's probably going to be okay inside, but you can see that it's ripening unevenly. It's not really split anywhere. There's no holes, but you know, I don't think I'll get a full yield off of this tomato, but it's okay. This was the only one that I really saw. There goes a regular green one that has some fluting to it. What is this that I'm seeing here? Can you see these hoverflies? Oh, I'll never be able to get this into focus. Oh, they left. The things that fascinate me, it's mating hoverflies in midair. I could never capture that. I'm about to run out of battery. So, yeah, well, I don't know where it went. Anyway, you guys, I have massive attention deficit. I'm sure that we covered that in another video. I am so tired today. Look at all these beautiful tomatoes. So right now I'm collecting tomatoes before the rain, and I'm putting together a basket for my friend that I share with. So, but I already covered with her. I'm giving you some tomatoes that, even though they look orange, they're going to be green inside. And I'm going to be giving you some tomatoes that look purple and green, but they're going to be red inside when the bottom is red. So it's like a fair warning. If you don't want this type of tomato, this is what you're going to be dealing with. So she said she would eat them though. So she said she's excited. I can't help but stop when I see beautiful flowers, you guys. Look at this. Here's one of my daylilies from Shade Tree Daylily Farm. This one is Vulcan Heart. Just gorgeous. There's a second one blooming here. They didn't produce as much as the other more established plants did, but it's okay, because I'm certain well, these guys died back too. They did have a huge amount of blooms on them, but this is what daylilies do. They're only here for a brief time. It's okay. Look, I have all these colors of zinnias instead. It doesn't take much to make me happy, but these guys, who could ask for more with these colorful zinnias? Really gorgeous. Every day I'm on cornfield patrol, you can see that the corn stalks are starting to pull away, so it won't be long now. My battery's getting ready to die, no. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick final harvest, and I'm gonna get on in and try to end my day, so I'll show you my basket after I get done harvesting. But anyway, you guys, stay tuned for baby bird coverage. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. Thanks for stopping in to see us, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.